Hello everyone, back again here. I have a Polestar 3 with a charging issue. Let's check it out. The customer's complaint is when DC charging the vehicle here, the charge lock here doesn't engage and the charger just flops around in. To release the charger, you have to push this button and nothing happens when the charger's plugged in here. So I'm going to show you how to replace this charge lock motor here step by step. You first want to take this outer door off here, and to do that you're going to want to come in here and work up the seal all the way around here. On the charge door here, you're going to want to pull here to release these clips on the outer here and close the door halfway and pull to the right, and the charge door will come out. And you're going to want to remove this clip and this plug. The EVI, which is the Electrical Vehicle Inlet, is held in by 4 bolts here. Let's remove these 4 7mm bolts and we'll move to the next step. Next, I want you to remove the wheel and turn around and take the fender liner off. After removing the fender liner here, I want you to come over to the EVI now, which is up here, and as you see, it's loose from taking the bolts out. And next, I want you to remove this clip, take this 8mm bolt, this 8mm bolt, and this 8mm bolt out. I also want you to come over here and take this clip, and these 2 clips here down, so that when you bring down the EVI, you'll have space to work on it right about here. Now that the EVI is exposed, I want you to come over and start removing it. I want you to take this clip off here and work it up and pull it this way. I now want you to remove these 2 T15s holding the lock motor in. Next, I want you to pull the cable and pull the plug here. I now want you to reinstall everything the way you took it apart, and we'll move on to the next step afterwards. After clearing the codes, I want you to check the charger. And the lock engaged. The vehicle is charging, and the charging port is now locked. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.